So my friends, welcome to a new altcoin update video. Today it's about fetch.ai. We already looked at it yesterday in the live stream, but today we'll have a smaller but more detailed video. What does the current situation look like? What are the plans for the future, and what do the further entry prices look like? You'll definitely find out all of that in today's update video. A short, concise update video on fetch.ai, because honestly, we don't need to do more at the moment. Before we start, feel free to leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course, feel free to join the free Telegram Talk and Signal group. If you're interested in updates, news, and signals, feel free to join. And if you're looking for an exchange where you can trade everything we discuss here, including fetch.ai, you can do so on my partner exchange, BingX. The link is also in the video description below, and it supports the channel, or me as well. So feel free to sign up. Money is on Binks. Yes, fetch.ai is currently at 64 US cents. In the past few days, we've seen a nice recovery and have also initially broken through this interim high here. That's relatively good for a start. Step number 1. Nevertheless, we are still in a downtrend here. Overall, we can see clearly that since our all-time high over here on March 29th, 2024, it's been going only downwards. Lower low, lower high, lower low, possibly the next lower high that remains to be seen. We are definitely still caught in a clear downward movement here. As mentioned, this must be apparent to everyone at first. Nevertheless, we have the potential to continue rising here. But for that, we first need a trend. I mentioned it in yesterday's XRP update video. The volume is completely missing for XRP at the moment. With fetch.ai, it looks a bit different. Here, we consistently have volume from time to time. We also see a nice trend, but we already have the RSI quite stretched in the daily chart and, of course, in the 4-hour or time frame. That means, or better said, exploited, that we have hardly any room left upwards, making it prone to correction slowly but surely, which is why I would be cautious here. However, we still have room in the smaller time frames. The 4-hour time frame at least gives us the possibility to push towards 70 US dollar cents. Here we still have an inefficiency. Here we have the monthly pivot R1. So I would potentially keep an eye on this for a short position. And yes, for the major buying zones, nothing has really changed. That means if we should, and now back to the daily chart, we also have a nice daily supply zone here, a nice daily resistance where we are currently located. If we get rejected in this area, it looks very much like we might see another sell-off here. Where could this lead? There are exactly two possibilities. Possibility number 1, we draw the FIB level from our low to our potential interim high. That we go down to the area of 48 to approximately 47 US dollar cents. There is an inefficiency there. There is a vector candle. Plus, we then have support down here through the golden pocket and could find support here again. And at the same time form a nice, if I draw it for you here, inverse head and shoulders chart pattern. Bullish variant, bearish variant, and that would then continue to trigger our buying zone, would be if we break through here, form a new low, and enter our buying zone at 27 to 22 US dollar cents. I already mentioned that yesterday in the live stream. We still have an inefficiency here, plus we have another inefficiency here, plus a vector candle, and this is still the buying zone down here. So this entire red box is the largest buying zone. The overall buying zone goes down to 16 US dollar cents. But these are the two variants that I would definitely keep an eye on now. Either we go to the moon at 48 to 46 US dollar cents, hit the bottom here, or we break through and then head towards 28 cents to approximately 23 US dollar cents, fill the inefficiency, and then truly have the bear market lows. Because it must be said, we haven't reached the bear market lows yet with fetch.ai, but we are slowly moving in that direction. Could then establish the bottom here and then go to the moon. This is my forecast for the next few weeks or months. Feel free to write in the comments below what you think about it, what your general opinion is on fetch.ai. Are you invested or are you not invested? Write it down below, and otherwise I would say that's it from my side. I wish you a nice day. Take care. Until then, bye, and as always, stake.